My name's Kiko Kanata. I work at Miku restaurant in Vancouver, and I'm the head pastry chef. The most rewarding part of being a chef for me is just seeing people enjoy the food that I make. The reason I became a chef is because of my family, so just seeing people enjoy the food and come together around food, that's definitely the most important part for me. My favorite thing about BC Blueberries, especially during the season, is just the memories of going blueberry picking with my family and using them just in simple, family-friendly recipes. My favorite way to use blueberries in recipes is probably just in a way to let them shine naturally, so a jam or compote or just fresh. Using local produce is really important to Miku. We partner with Oceanwise to make sure we're making responsible decisions and also supporting our local farmers. For people cooking with blueberries at home, honestly, just start small. They are amazing just as is, so you really can't go wrong. Jam or compote, just really start slow, and then you'll feel more confident going from there. Today I'm making a blueberry lavender mille feuille. Mille feuille is layers of puff pastry with cream or compote. It can be lots of different variations, but those are the building blocks. I'm going to start with layers of puff pastry. On top is going to be blueberry jelly, kisses of lavender cream, and in between that will be blueberry lavender compote. Lavender and blueberries go really well together. The acidity of the blueberries brings out the floral accents of the lavender, and together they really make a nice, mellow, complementary flavor combination. So on top of that will be another layer of puff pastry, blueberry Greek yogurt kisses, fill the center again with blueberry compote, and top with white chocolate and blueberries. Everyone continues to amaze me with all their different ways of using fresh produce, but I think just the natural way of using them in a galette or a pie is just my favorite.